Weekly Food Review Part 8. You don't need to brush your teeth, just eat these. Pro tip, it won't work. Yeah. Ooh, aha. Pretty normal. They look red, but they smell like cheese. Fata. Did you guys see that? I got it! What is this? All it said on here is crispy rice is beautiful. Oh. Rice Krispies, peanut butter chocolate, Trader Toe's rip-off Suzy Q's. Did they really have to fall in the grass? The cherry inside is perfect, but that dark chocolate just sneaks up on you like a bat out of hell. Healthy all soda. Supports digestive health. I feel